All right, y'all. How you doing? How you doing? It's your girl Code Name Rose is in the building. Y'all pay no attention. We unloading groceries. We're in a new area. And Pascagoula brought me, to In-N-Out. I ain't never been up in here. Like I said, it's in Pascagoula, y'all. So that's where we at. But I ain't looked at nothing, y'all. So that was kind of impressive. That bread piece and up there, y'all know how I feel about a piece of bread. Oh my God. All right. Okay then. Fish, oyster, couple of fries. All right, y'all. That look like a little. They said In-N-Out. That look like Raising Cane toast. Listen. Oh, let me get to it. Let me get to it, because this thing got exciting. So how y'all been, y'all? I've been super blessed over here on this end. Y'all know me, I'm always blessed. Oh yeah. Even in the downtowns. You feel me? Okay. Alright. See, they got the tartar sauce and the cocktail sauce. Boy, they don't get standing now. Let's see what the shrimp tastes like. Use your thighs, son. You gotta use your thighs.
Hey, you supposed to be up there eating.
I am.
Unless you finna share, I don't know.
Hey. Not too much. Finish your duties. Yeah, y'all do. Pretty good. That's how big it is. Oh yeah, that's good. All right. Let me see. Okay, that's good. Okay, In-N-Out. I see what you're doing up in there. A little quick stop. Okay. Well, y'all. I'm gonna oysters for y'all. I'm gonna get on these oysters real quick.
I can have one of these waters for myself. But like, so I have to run to you about water bottles.
What video, huh? Just what video am I doing? I'm just at this point eating with y'all on the screen, y'all. Remember that. Kids just don't be caring, y'all. Get
Let me try something.
Get out the way. Anywho, let me go and tend to these wild, savage children of mine, y'all. And I will get back with y'all later. I like this though. I give them about an 8 out of 10. I wouldn't want fries just with this or whatever, but it's good. That was fresh. Everything is fresh and hot. Everything is wonderful. It's really good, y'all. So In-N-Out. Yeah, I fool with y'all. I fool with you. Oh my God. Till next time, y'all. Enjoy yourselves. I'm sorry for the beeping noise in the background, y'all. I did it with the car door open. I was trying to hurry up, just bite on this real quick for y'all. See, I was tasting while it was fresh and hot. I'm finna get in here and cook for these kids. And till next time, I'll catch y'all later, okay?